Hey guys, good evening, and here with Expert Renovation. Day 5 on our vinyl siding, soffit, fascia, and siding job. Guys are getting ready to put the last piece up on the peak in the front, and we are done. It's royal board and batten, toasted almond on the walls, sand on the soffits. Got rain for 2 days tomorrow, but the gutters will be following shortly thereafter. So I'll do just a quick walk around and show you how we do it. Be getting all new exterior light fixtures. Truck full of trash. That's the piece we're looking for. And that's it. Call us if we can help you out with your exterior projects. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.